So, as the countdown to Google's I/O Developer Conference on May 14th progresses, leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Google Pixel 8a seem to surface almost daily. From initial glimpses and slightly blurry renders to higher quality images, hands-on photos, and even a video preview, eager tech enthusiasts have been treated to an abundance of insights into Google's forthcoming smartphone. The latest batch of renders, courtesy of the original leaker, Evan Blass, provides yet another opportunity to marvel at the device's design from various angles. While these renders may not reveal groundbreaking new features, they showcase the Pixel 8a in all its glory, displaying the device in 4 distinct color options: Bay, which is blue; Mint, which is green; Porcelain, which is white; and Obsidian, which is black, catering to diverse consumer preferences. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a is expected to pack Google's Tensor G3 chipset, the same powerful processor found in its predecessors the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Paired with 8GB of RAM and a base storage capacity of 128GB, the Pixel 8a promises smooth performance and ample storage for users' needs. Its display is rumored to be a 6.1 inches Full HD Plus OLED panel, with a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and fluid navigation. In terms of photography capabilities, leaks suggest that the Pixel 8a will feature a sophisticated camera setup, including a 64MP primary camera and a 13MP ultra-wide lens. Additionally, the device is rumored to house a robust 4500 mAh battery, with support for 27 watts of wired charging, delivering reliable power throughout the day. From a software standpoint, the Pixel 8a is expected to debut with Android 14 out of the box, providing users with the latest enhancements and features from Google's innovative mobile operating system. However, it's worth noting that rumors hint at a potential increase in price compared to its predecessor, signaling potential adjustments in Google's pricing strategy. As the launch date approaches, excitement continues to mount for the Google Pixel 8a, with leaks offering tantalizing glimpses into what users can anticipate from this eagerly awaited smartphone. Whether it's the sleek design, powerful performance, or advanced camera capabilities, the Pixel 8a is poised to make a significant impact in the competitive smartphone market. With each new leak, anticipation for the Pixel 8a intensifies, with enthusiasts eagerly awaiting its official debut. As May 14th approaches, all eyes will be on Google's I/O Developer Conference, where the Pixel 8a is expected to take center stage alongside other exciting announcements from the tech giant. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.